Looking to recover a deleted or old video from WhatsApp on your iPhone, whether it was accidentally deleted or lost over time, it's easy to fix. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to restore those videos. So let's jump right in and get started. Method 1. Check WhatsApp storage and data. Go to the WhatsApp, next tap on the settings icon below. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on storage and data. Now tap manage storage. After that, scroll down and find the sender. Tap on the sender's name. Here you will find the image you are looking for. Method 2. Restore from iCloud backup. Open the settings app. Tap on the Apple ID profile. Next, tap on iCloud. From here, tap Photos. If you don't see Photos here, then tap See All. And then tap Photos. Here, make sure to toggle on the Sync this iPhone option. Method 3. Check Recently Deleted Album. Open the Photos app. Scroll down a little bit. Find the Recently Deleted option. Tap on it. Now tap the View option. Scan your face or enter the passcode. Here you'll find the deleted images. Press and hold on to it. Tap Recover, and it's recovered. That's all. This is how you can recover a deleted or old video from WhatsApp on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned.